Sahih Al-Bukhari 3431, narrated Sa'id bin Al-Musayyab radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said, I heard Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying, there is none born among the offspring of Adam alaihi salam, but Satan touches it. A child therefore cries loudly at the time of birth because of the touch of Satan, except Mary and her child. Then Abu Hurairah radiallahu ta'ala anhu recited, and I seek refuge with you for her and for offspring from the outcast Satan. 3.36. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3432, narrated Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu. I heard the Prophet sallallaho alaihi wasallam saying, Mary the daughter of Imran was the best among the women of the world of her time, and Khadija radiallahu ta'ala anha is the best among rest to the women of this nation. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3433, narrated Abu Musa al-Ashari radiallahu ta'ala anhu. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the superiority of Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha to the ladies is like the superiority of third, i.e. meat and bread dish, to other meals. Many men reach the level of perfection, but no woman reached such a level except Mary the daughter of Imran and Asya alaihi salam, the wife of Pharaoh. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3434, narrated Abu Hurairah radiallahu ta'ala anhu. I heard Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying, amongst all those women who ride camels, i.e. Arabs, the ladies of Quraysh are the best. They are merciful and kind to their offspring and the best guardians of their husbands' properties. Abu Hurairah radiallahu ta'ala anhu added, Mary the daughter of Imran never rode a camel. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3435, narrated Abu radiallahu ta'ala anhu. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if anyone testifies that none has the right to be worshipped but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala alone, who has no partner, and that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his slave and his apostle, and that Jesus is Allah's slave and his apostle, his word which he bestowed on Mary, and a spirit created by him, and that paradise is true and hell is true, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will admit him into paradise with the deeds which he had done, even if those deeds were few. Junada, the sub-narrator, said, Ubadah radiallahu ta'ala anhu added, such a person can enter paradise through any of its 8 gates he likes. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.